All right, let's get right into it. We're going to break down a really practical blueprint for building a digital income stream. We're talking $100, maybe $200 a day using just 2 tools that anyone can get their hands on. This isn't just theory, okay? It's a real step-by-step system. And this quote right here, it just nails it. The old ways of making money online, the old gatekeepers, they're pretty much gone. The idea that you needed a huge budget or some fancy connection, well, that's disappearing, and it's opening up this massive new opportunity for all of us.
I mean, just think about all the old hurdles. You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping a physical product. You don't need to be some huge influencer with 1 million followers. You definitely don't need to know how to code. And you don't need a pile of cash to get started. That's what makes this whole approach so incredibly powerful.
So if all those old roadblocks are gone, what's left? Well, that brings us to the heart of this whole thing. Understanding the insane power of digital products. This is the exact model that makes it all possible, especially for beginners. So what exactly are they? It's simple, really. Digital products are things you create one time, and then you can sell them over and over and over again. There's no inventory, no shipping, no manufacturing. It is the purest create once, sell forever idea you can imagine.
And here's why this model is such a game changer. The cost to actually make something, almost zero. The demand for good, organized information, it's huge. Your customers get what they bought instantly. And the profit margins, are you kidding me? We're talking 90 to 100%. But the real kicker, the thing that changes everything, is that AI has just completely bulldozed the old skill barrier.
Okay, so if AI is doing a lot of the heavy lifting, what do you actually need? You're probably thinking it's a dozen complicated, expensive software subscriptions, right? Nope. You just need a simple 2-tool powerhouse to get this whole thing rolling. And here they are. This is your powerhouse duo. Just think of it like this. ChatGPT is the brains of the operation. It's your strategist, your writer. It comes up with the ideas and creates all the content. And then you have Canva. Canva is your designer. It takes all that great content and packages it beautifully so it looks professional and is ready to sell.
And this is so important to get. Your success here isn't about being the world's #1 expert on some topic. Not at all. It's about being organized in your process and, even more important, just being consistent, showing up. That's a whole lot more empowering, isn't it?
Okay, so you've got the tools. But the big question is, what do you actually make and sell? Let's dive into some proven ideas that are already making people money every single day, just to get your own wheels turning.
You could create a simple ebook, something like a beginner's guide to AI that saves someone a ton of research time. Or you could design Canva templates, resumes, social media planners that help people look polished online. You could even bundle content, like a pack of 30 social media captions that just takes the guesswork out of their day. Or hey, a simple PDF-based mini course. All of these solve real problems for real people.
And listen, this right here might be the single most important mindset shift you can make. This is not about inventing something brand new. It's about taking information that's already out there and just packaging it in a way that's clear, simple, and valuable for someone else. You're a curator, a packager. That's your job.
All right, now for the really good stuff, the core of it all, the actual how-to. Let's walk through the simple steps of creating your first product, putting a price on it, and actually getting it out there to customers.
The whole process is basically a simple 4-step recipe. Step 1, pick a problem to solve. Step 2, use ChatGPT to write out the solution. Step 3, pop that content into Canva and make it look amazing. And Step 4, export it as a PDF. That's it. You've literally just created a digital asset that you can now sell.
Okay, but where do I sell it? That's the next logical question, right? Well, the best part is you don't even need your own website to start. Platforms like Seller, Gumroad, and Payhip will handle all the payments and delivery for you. And if you're making templates, Etsy is a gold mine. The key, though, just pick one to start with. Master it first.
So let's circle back to that initial goal, that number that feels exciting but also achievable. $100 a day. So how in the world do you get there? Well, the math is actually refreshingly simple. If you create a great little product and you sell it for just $10, you only need to make 10 sales a day to hit that $100 goal. When you break it down like that, it doesn't seem so intimidating anymore, does it? It feels doable. Okay, we've got the product idea, we've got the math, we've got the goal. But look, a goal is just a wish without a plan.
So let's get into the final and maybe the most important part, what you actually need to do every day to build momentum and get those results.
This is pretty much what consistency looks like. Every day, for just an hour or two, you're creating some new content, posting online, and engaging with people. Then, once a week, you zoom out. You look at ways to improve your product, maybe launch a new one, and you analyze what's actually working. It's those small daily actions that build up into big results.
Now let's talk about the traps to avoid, because there are a few. First, stop waiting for it to be perfect. It never will be. Just get it out there. Second, don't just create stuff without actually trying to sell it. Don't chase a new, shiny object every single week. And for the love of all that is holy, do not quit too early. Clarity comes from doing, not from thinking.
So what's the big takeaway here? It's this. You do not need anyone's permission to do this. You don't need a huge, splashy launch. Just start small, sell something simple, learn from it, and then you scale up smartly based on what actually works.
And that's what this all boils down to. I want to leave you with this one simple question. Forget about the money, forget about followers for just a second. Ask yourself this: what is the first simple problem that you can solve for someone else? Because the answer to that question, well, that's your starting line. That's where your entire digital product journey begins.